Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to apply the Olixar full covered tempered glass screen protector to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. We will also be reviewing the screen protector after the application process. In order to have a successful installation, you will need to prepare your phone screen by using the tools provided. Start by using the cleaning wipe to give your phone screen a thorough wipe down. Next, use the microfiber cloth to lift away any trapped dirt as well as drying your screen at the same time. Finally, use the dust removal stickers to remove any remaining dust and dirt. Just simply dab away like so. With your phone screen now prepared, you can turn your attention to the protector itself. Start by peeling back the protective cover, making sure not to touch this side with your fingers. Next, begin to lower the protector into place, ensuring the cutouts on the protector match up to the features on your phone. Alignment can be tricky, but luckily the protector is quite forgiving as it allows you to have another go if you don't get it right first time. If you find it isn't correctly aligned, just simply lift the protector and have another go. Once you're happy with the positioning, start to smooth down the protector to secure the entire screen protector to the phone, completing the installation process. The final result is a protected screen that looks virtually no different to how it did before the protector was applied. When on, this will guard well against a variety of dangers, including bumps, bangs and scratches that occur on a daily basis. Olixar's full cover screen protector maintains Huawei's premium design while offering toughness, high visibility and sensitivity for your phone, giving you the ultimate screen protector experience. The touchscreen is highly responsive, allowing you to use your phone without any issues. This includes the fingerprint reader, which works flawlessly through this screen protector. While this protector isn't advertised as being case compatible, I did find that it works with a fair few. If case compatibility is important to you, we recommend taking a look at Olixar's case compatible version, which we'll leave a link to below. Overall, this is a great choice for anybody looking to safeguard their Huawei Mate 20 Pro's display without taking anything away from the look and feel of the phone. I hope you found this video tutorial useful. If you have any questions, then please do leave them below. For more information and to purchase this screen protector, purchase links will be available in the description and comments of this video.